Hi and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about the SinoHero SH509i syringe pump. The SH509i is a syringe driver manufactured by the SinoHero company. It accepts any syringe from 5 ml up to 50 ml and can deliver between 0.1 ml per hour and 100 ml per hour of fluid. It has an internal battery that lasts a short duration, but it's best practice to plug it into wall power whenever you can. You can check the device is connected to wall power by checking the front of the driver and seeing the power plug icon is illuminated green and the charging lights are increasing. You should prepare medications in the syringe per your local policy. Make sure you have an extension line attached prior to inserting the syringe into the driver. To insert the syringe, first pull the blue knob outwards and rotate it downwards, like this. Next, press down on the levers and pull the claw end away from the machine. Place the syringe so that the flange, the flared section at the bottom, sits in the slot. While holding the claw open, slide the end until it meets the syringe plunger. Now turn the blue knob back to the upwards position to hold the syringe firmly in place. Now you're ready to turn the syringe driver on. Hold down the yellow power button and you'll hear a beep and the screen will turn on. Once the device is on, it will start with asking you to input the rate of fluid administration. To change these, you use the single arrow button to go up or down with the 0.1 ml section and the double arrow to change the full ml section. Once you're happy with the settings, press the OK button. Repeat the same process with the VTBI or volume to be infused section. The volume section is how much volume the driver has already given to the patient. When you're ready to start the pump, press the green start button. You'll notice the change on the screen when the fluid is infusing. When you want to stop the pump, press the yellow stop button. You'll notice a change back to the original screen. When the pump is not running, you can use the purge button to purge air from the line. Hold it down and it will bolus fluid until you let go of the button. Thanks for watching. If you thought this was helpful, give us a like or subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!